Good day, panelists. I am Elcarte, the presenter of research paper titled Water Retention and Biodegradation of Superabsorbent Polymer, Pectin-Based derived from Pomelo citrus Maxima Pith, determining its effect to the fluoro performance of Pechay, Brassica, Rapa. Now, for the background, the sustainability of mankind depends on the ability of water resources in important universal sectors, including agriculture, food production, and the environment. To supplement the world's limited water supply, the agricultural industry uses around 70% of all water. Thus, this feature has inspired researchers and found widespread use in agriculture. A study chooses to use organic cross-linking with UV light and heat to produce an alternative and reasonably priced superabsorbent polymer (SAP) from Pomelo citrus maxima P. The result is non-polluting substance with exceptional water absorption and preservation capabilities. Moving on, this study has chosen to develop an alternative and reasonably priced superabsorbent polymer using naturally occurring oil and pectin polysaccharide from pomelo pith, using organic cross-linking, using light and heat to create an organic, safe, and non-polluting product with super water-absorbing and water-preserving ability that can enhance soil quality, preserve water, and resist drought, creating better environment for crops to grow. The main objectives of the study is to create efficient superabsorbent polymer created through organic cross-linking derived from pomelo pith that can retain large amount of water, keep the soil moist, and improve crop growth with regular water supplements. The researchers sought to realize the specialized some of the following objectives. First, to utilize the pomelo pith as superabsorbent polymer. Second, to determine if there is a significant difference in water retention of pomelo SAP and commercialized SAP. Third, to determine if there is a significant difference in integration rate of pomelo pith SAP and commercialized SAP. Fourth, to determine if there is a significant difference in water content of the soil with PPSAP and CSAP with no SAP application. And lastly, to determine the growth performance of Pechay plants in terms with the given parameters, number of leaves, plant width, plant height, growth length, and fresh weight. Following that is statement of contribution or methods. The said study is beneficial to the environment aspects as it is non-polluted and biodegradable. The samples including the chemicals used were toxic-free, which is safe for soil and plant. In addition, it serves as a water savior for plant roots, absorbs natural and supply water 300 to 500 times in weight on account of the root's capillary suction mechanism. The study's findings show that the pomelo pith SAP absorbs 79.5% of water, which is much greater than commercialized SAP made from diapers, sodium polysaccharide, which absorbs 78.8% of water. According to the water retention rate results, PPSAP and CSAP retain water in significant different ways statistically. Additionally, there is no significant difference between the soil treated CSAP and PPSAP. However, it is discovered that the soil moisture content differs significantly between treatments with and without CSAP. Finally, it is determined that plants supplied with pomelo pith have higher and better growth performance than commercially grown and non-SAP plants for the Pechay plant. There is a significant difference in the growth performance of setups applied with pomelo SAP, commercialized SAP, and no SAP application. In conclusion, it is determined that sulfur-absorbent polymers derived from pectin that have been organically cross-linked through emulsion, polymerization, and photo-polymerization have shown promise as an environmentally friendly soil amendment and can outcome commercial toxic created through chemical cross-linking. It is concluded that It is an effective solution to improve soil quality, preserve water, resist drought, producing a better environment for crops to grow because it absorbs 79.5% of its weight in water, maintains a moisture content of 8.6 per without regular water management, and could last for 21 days while being biodegradable. That would be all. Thank you.